Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 29th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Wishes. I Wish Tonight by Lois Rock, illustrated by Ann Wilson. The evening sky darkens, the stars will shine bright, but which is the first star I'll see tonight? I wish that I may, oh I wish that I might, have everything that I wish for tonight. I wish for a silver moon sailing on high through the shape-shifting oceans of clouds in the sky, and a warm, gentle breeze that will sing and will sigh in the tall swaying treetops as it passes by. I wish for a bed with a sail and an oar that will float on the shadows so dark on the floor. As the wind fills the sails, to the sky it will soar and take me up high to a faraway shore. In the land of beyond, all my dreams will come true. I'll do all the things that I so want to do. I'll have great adventures the whole long day through. So I'll wish for my friends to be there with me too. All the things that we need will be ours just for free, with enough for my friends, oh, and their friends, and me. We'll pick what we want, just like fruit from a tree. Everyone in the world will come nearer to see. We'll tell them that nothing can be bought or sold. In the land that I wish for, no one will need gold. We'll pick lovely presents for young and for old, so no one goes hungry and no one is cold. Then one to another we'll say, let's be friends, and let's make a great plan that together we'll mend anything that is broken and carefully tend everything in the world, keep it safe to the end. Soon no one will know where the wastelands have been. The trees will grow tall and the deserts turn green. The air will blow clear and the rain will fall clean, and in shimmering streams silver fish will be seen. The animals then will draw close without fear. The shy little shrew will be first to come near. Then muskox, okapi, wapiti, and deer. Imagine the squeaking, the grunting, the cheer. Then I'll call for quiet. Hush, everyone, please. Let's listen to songbirds high up in the tree. After they finish, the soft sighing breeze, the rippling brooks, the tumbling seas. I'll go down to the shore in the gold evening light and climb back in my boat, sail off in the night, while the skies turn to dark and the stars shine so bright, and I'll wish for a world where what's wrong is put right. And then in the morning I'll wake with the sun. My dream won't be over, my dream's just begun. A dream full of goodness and laughter and fun, for me, for the world, and for everyone. The end. We're going to make a sailboat. What you need is your craft to go kit, which is a boat shape, a triangle sail, and a stick. And what you'll need is some glue or a glue stick and some crayons, markers, or coloring pencils, whatever you need to color. I'm using crayons. And all you're going to do is color the boat and glue it together. So I'm just going to go ahead and start coloring. I'm going to make a red basin, a red boat part, and I think I'm going to do blue stripes on the sail. So I'm going to go ahead and color this and I'll be right back. Alright, it's all colored in, and what I'm going to do is attach the stick to the back. I'm just going to put a bunch of glue on the stick. Stick it on there. Press it down real nice. Nice and firm. And then see, I went a little high. That's okay, it'll dry clear. wipes off too with your finger. And then I'll put some glue up here. Oops. Might have put that on a bit thick, but that's okay. Guess it's better too thick than too thin. And then I'll stick the sail on right up there. Nice and firm. And there it is. The sailboat. Stand it up a bit. See? That's all there is to it.